So, first is employment and small businesses operation compared. So, entrepreneurs stimulate employment growth by generating new jobs when they are enter the market. So, small businesses play in a major role employment compared to large firm, while big companies may employ many workers at once. Small businesses create more new jobs overall because there are many of them entering and growing in the market. They are often flexible, innovative, and spread across different sectors of economy. What is a small business? So a small business is an independently owned and operated enterprise that has a small number of employees, limited capital, local or regional operations. Examples include shops, salons, small factories, repair service, and family-owned businesses. So, how entrepreneurs stimulate employment growth? So, entrepreneurs create jobs when they are start a new business. When a new firm enters and market, it needs work productions, sales management, and service. As the business grows, it hires more people which helps reduce unemployment and boosts income in the company. So, next is entrepreneurial activity raises productivity. So, entrepreneurial activities raises the productivity of firms and economies. Competition between new and existing firms leads to survival and fittest, even though overall improvement may decline, new firm can foster productivity. So, entrepreneurial often introduce new ideas. So, better technology, improved methods of production. This increase productivity, meaning firms and produce more goods and service using fewer resources. So, higher productivity improves business efficiency and strengthens overall economy. So, next is entrepreneurs accelerate structural change. So, entrepreneur accelerates structural change by replacing established sclerotic firm. So, entrepreneurs help modernize the economy by replacing old, inefficient sclerotic firms, introducing innovative products and services. This process encourages competition and ensure that outdated business are replaced by more efficient and creative ones. So next is manufacturing. So business. So a manufacturing is a one of the conversation and raw materials into product needed by society. So a manufacturing business converts raw materials into product or semi-finished goods. For example, furniture factories, food processing, clothing manufacturing,